are the different types of noun? There are different types of noun: common noun and proper noun. What is a common noun? A common noun is a general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Let's have some examples. Doctor, man, book, cat, tree. These are common nouns. Let's have some sentences. The doctor cures the sick. The man is looking for me. The cat meows. She reads her favorite book. Doctor, man, cat, book. These are nouns. Now, what is a proper noun? The special name of a noun is called a proper noun. Special names given to people, places, animals, and things. Example: Dr. Rizal, John, Australia, Saturn, St. Peter. These are proper nouns. Sentences: Dr. Cruz cures the sick. John is looking for me. Muning is the name of my pet. Planet Saturn has a ring. Dr. Cruz, John, Muning, Saturn are all proper nouns. Let's have more examples. City for common noun. New York for proper noun. Boy, Pedro. Teacher, Miss Len. River, Jordan River. Superhero, Superman. Don't forget, children, a common noun begins with a small letter, while a proper noun begins with a capital letter. Now, let's have an activity. Identify the noun in the sentence, if it is a common noun or a proper noun. Are you ready? The doctor cures the sick. You may write your answers on your pad paper. John is looking for me. The cat meows. Planet Saturn has a ring. She bakes a cake. Now, let's check. Number 1, the answer is doctor. Doctor is common noun. Number 2, John. John is proper noun. Number 3, cat. Cat is common noun. Number 4, planet Saturn or Saturn. It's a proper noun. Number 5, cake. Common noun. Good job, children!